What's going on, everybody? Said I'd make a video of my truck, so I figured I'd go ahead and do that today. It's a 95 Chevy 6.5 turbo. I have a few problems with it, but it's mostly just like wiring issues, ground problems, stuff like that. So it's 5-speed. I don't know if you can see it real well, but it's kind of dark out. But runs good. It's got a check engine light on, or it's got a ground wire or something loose in the ECM. See it. Let you listen to it. Runs good. I'll let you see the under the hood. Of course, it's got the cab lights. Always gotta have John Deere on there. It's got these brush guards on it. Turbo hooked up. There's a little wire right there. It's a ground wire for the motor. Everything runs good on it. It's just got a few odd and end things. It keeps cutting in and out due to the ECM. It's got this big old pipe in the back. I like it better than I had my old truck with the stacks. Gotta have my tool tray, but you get the smoke. It's probably spitting out white smoke because it's pretty cold on it. But that's my truck.